Hey everyone, welcome back to RRC Remote Adventures. I'm Michael Rice, and today we have something truly special for you. If you're a fan of rock crawling or just love RC vehicles, you're going to be thrilled because we're unveiling the new Redcat ready-to-run 18th scale Ascent-18 Rock Crawler, now available in a stunning pink color. Scale rock crawling has taken the RC world by storm, and Redcat has been at the forefront, especially with their 10th scale crawlers. But now they've brought all that quality, performance, and affordability into the 18th scale market with the Ascent-18. Don't let its small size fool you. This crawler is packed with high-end features typically found on larger scale competitive crawlers. This little beast can turn your ordinary surroundings into an epic rock crawling course. A pile of driveway gravel, some sticks, or even your living room can become challenging terrain for the Ascent-18. Rainy days? No problem. You can set up an indoor crawling course using books, pillows, or blankets and have hours of fun right at home. Let's dive into the features that make the Ascent-18 stand out. It comes with ball bearings for smooth operation, hex drive hardware for durability, and an impressive steering angle to tackle tight situations. The precision metal-geared micro servo ensures that every turn is powerful and precise. Check out these aluminum chassis rails and portal axles that provide increased ground clearance and reduced torque twist. The machined aluminum spools keep constant traction on all four tires, so even if one wheel is in the air, the other three will pull you through. The 7mm wheel hexes allow you to customize your wheels and tires, and the aluminum-capped, oil-filled shocks ensure smooth action on every trail. The powerful 180-sized motor is the biggest that fits in this crawler, offering plenty of upgrade options. The front tilt body mounting system makes maintenance a breeze and looks fantastic. The high-quality 2.4 GHz radio system provides precise control, and the entire package is ready to run with all electronics, a rechargeable battery, and a charger included. And the best part? Redcat is launching a complete line of performance hop-up parts available at release. You can upgrade your Ascent-18 with brass and aluminum options in stunning red or bronze finishes. These parts don't just boost performance, they also look incredible. From inner portal axle boxes to center skid plates and even steel transmission gear sets, Redcat has thought of everything to make your Ascent-18 as customizable and high performance as possible. The new Redcat ready-to-run 18th scale Ascent-18 Rock Crawler in pink is a must-have for any RC enthusiast. It's priced at just under $120, and all you need to add are AA batteries for the transmitter. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this amazing crawler. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button for more fresh RC content every week. This is Michael Rice signing off. Keep crawling, and I'll see you next time on RRC Remote Adventures.